If you've purchased the Xiaomi 14 or 15 Ultra, then chances are you did it for the incredible cameras and that Leica glass. But how do you best protect these lenses? There is no way you want this rattling around in your pocket unprotected with keys and coins scratching it up. In this video, I'm going to share the best solution for lens protection as well as ND filters so you can keep your camera scratch-free as well as achieve cinematic motion blur in your videos with ease. At the core of this solution is the Xiaomi photography kit, as this includes the key element, which is the case with the included 67mm filter adapter ring that you can attach to the case. While the original 13 Ultra photography kit came with a lens cap, it is not included in the 14 and 15 series photography kits. So to remedy this, you are going to want to pick up this K&F 67mm magnetic base filter ring from Amazon, linked in the description, which we attach to the 67mm filter thread on our Xiaomi photography kit case. This now allows us to do two very useful things. Firstly, and most importantly, we can attach this K&F magnetic lens cap so our lens is fully protected. Check the link in the description for the exact model. This lens cap is affordable, metal, really well made, and easily snaps on and off thanks to the magnetic mounting solution. The magnet is nice and strong too. This is a way better option than a threaded lens cap, which would require you to spend your life screwing and unscrewing it on and off. And secondly, this solution allows us to attach K&F magnetic 67mm ND filters easily to the Xiaomi 14 and 15 Ultra as well. ND filters are essential for achieving cinematic motion blur for video in daylight conditions, as they cut the amount of light reaching your sensor so you can set a shutter speed that is double your frame rate even in bright conditions. And these magnetic 67mm ND filters from K&F are really very impressive for such a low price. I purchased the K&F concept kit on Amazon, which includes everything in one package with the magnetic base ring, a circular polarizer which is used to remove reflections, and two ND filters, an ND8 and ND64, and the lens cap, which offers unbeatable value and incredible quality for under $100 US. However, if you just want lens protection without the need for ND filters, you can buy these parts individually for much less. Everything is linked to in the description. I've tried other solutions like universal smartphone cages, but they are bulky, suffer from light leaks as the camera is not perfectly sealed, and is not suitable for everyday carry, nor can you use it on a gimbal. The Xiaomi photography kit case with K&F magnetic base plate and lens cap is sleek enough to leave on all the time, and you can of course stack filters on top of each other so you can use the lens cap with an ND filter already attached so you're instantly ready to capture. And it works perfectly with the Hohem M7 gimbal too. And that is why this is the best solution I've found for lens protection and ND filters on the Xiaomi 14 and 15 Ultra. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and like and subscribe for mobile video creation tips, reviews, and tutorials. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.